Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making pulled pork. Beautiful pork butt here. So we're gonna smoke this for 4 hours and finish it off in our the Ninja Foodie. Just put on a pressure cooker for half hour. Then enjoy some pulled pork. So let's do it. Yeah, we should get a good amount of smoke flavor because it'll be over 4 hours of smoking. So simple seasoning on here. So we got pepper. And make sure your smoker is between 225 and 250. Good temperature, and it's already there. So you gotta season it up and get her in there. Okay. Onion powder, garlic powder, salt. Smoke a pork butt in the smoker. Take up to 8 hours. So I'm just doing it in half and then pressure cook for a bit. And then it might draw a little bit of the smoke flavor out, but we're still gonna get it enough for the pulled pork, so it'll be work out pretty good. So we're gonna season all sides, and there's a bit of fat on there, so that's always good. Toss our pork butt in, butt inside, fat side, or up, fat side up. All right, let it go for 4 hours, and enjoy some pulled pork. Pulled pork. Just pulled the pork butt off the smoker, and now I'll probably get in trouble for this video because didn't feel like waiting another like 3 or 4 hours for it to take to cook. It's a huge amount of smoke flavor already. Throwing it into the pressure cook for 25 minutes, finish it off, and then it'll be some beautiful pulled pork. But hey, if it works and it tastes good, it's all good. But there's a lot of critics out there who would get very upset that I'm doing this, but oh well. So into the pressure cook we go. Oh yeah, some juices. Okay, we'll save those. Need a little bit of liquid, but a certain amount of smoke flavor will still be there. It's totally fine. Fresh cracked pepper. But you know, this is Beaumont's kitchen. We break rules all the time. So if you haven't figured that out already, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But you know what? Let's give it a try. And I was almost out of wood chips, so this is how it goes. 2 cloves of crushed garlic, some lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, pressure cook for 25 minutes, and let's enjoy some pulled pork. See how it turned out. Oh yeah, it's gonna fall apart. Oh yeah, the bone is like, bone fell out. That's a good sign. And all we're gonna do is shred this thing apart. Oh yeah, look, it's shredding apart. That's what we want. Taste as to see. We got the smoke. Tastes like it. Oh yeah, we got smoke. There we go. Oh, it's a little hot, but pulls apart pretty easily. Oh, there's some gristle in there. Well, take that part out. She's tender. She's like ripping apart. This is good. And a bit of some pepper. Bullseye barbecue sauce. All right. Have other ones to top it off with if I need to. It's not Beaumont's barbecue sauce, but we'll make this pretty good. Mix this all up. Nice pulled pork. Ooh, looking good. Butter our buns, like so, because we're going to toast them. Toss them on there. And if you want to know the recipe for Beaumont's buns, click up top. Buns. Oh yeah, if you make burgers and pulled pork, if you don't want to make your own buns, that's a bonus. So make your own buns. It's so worth it. And for a nice toast on the buns, I'm liking that. So the result worked. Like, you can totally do that and it totally works fine. Huge amount of smoke flavor actually, so it definitely didn't really take away from any of the smoke. So that's kind of what I wanted. So pulled pork sandwich. Oh, we'll have to give that a try. Worked out so good. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful, right? Let me just put it on top. A little bit of sriracha mayo on there. All right, let's give our pulled pork a try. Smoked pork. Very simple. My own buns. Oh yeah. Sriracha mayo kicks it up a bit. So good. It's just, you get that smoke flavor in the bun. Don't eat anything else. A little bit of sriracha mayo in there. Good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you soon. And smoked pulled pork.